Let us now discuss the second model from coding and decoding, which is based on the shuffling of the letters from the given word. The question is, in a certain code, bean is written as ABNE and sale is written as LSEA. So how will news be written in that code? So if you can see here, the word bean has been coded as ABNE and the word sale has been coded as LSEA, and we are supposed to find out the coded form of news. If you try to observe, the letters on both the sides are same. Here we have BEAN, here as well we have the same letters BEAN, but they have been jumbled. Similarly, in the second case as well, the letters SALE have been jumbled on the other side. So the simple logic here is find out the order of jumbling, and same thing can be applied for news to get the answer. Let's give the positions to each of these letters as per the word. B is the first letter, E is the second letter, A is the third letter, and N is the fourth letter. If you observe the coded form, the third letter has been brought to the first place, first letter has come to the second place, fourth letter here is come to the next place, and the second letter comes at the end. Similarly, if we take these letters as 1, 2, 3, 4, L is nothing but the third letter, S is the first letter in the word, E is the fourth letter, and A is the second letter. So very clearly from these two codes we can understand that the order of jumbling is 3142. 3142. That means we just need to give 1, 2, 3, 4 as the positions to these four letters and take the positions 3142 on the other side. So the first letter is N, second letter is E, third letter is W, and the fourth letter is S. And as we know that the order should be 3142, the third letter here is W, first letter is N, fourth letter is S, and the second letter is E. So the answer should be WNSE. So remember friends, whenever the same letters are present in the coded form, the probable logic could be jumbling of those letters. So just try to check if that satisfies, you get the answer, otherwise you need to go for some other logic. Let us now take a second example from model 2, which is again based on jumbling of the letters of the given word. The question here is, in a certain code, talent is written as AELNTT. How will the word sprint be written in that code? So the word talent is written as AELNTT, and we are supposed to find out the code for the word sprint. If you observe here, the same letters are present in the coded form of the word talent. So maybe the probable logic here is jumbling of the letters in a certain order. So let us try to work out and see what the order could be. So let us say that this is the first letter, second, third, fourth, fifth, and sixth letter in the given word. Now if you try to find the order in the coded form, we find that A, that is the second letter, has come to the first place, E is the fourth letter, L is the third letter, N is the fifth letter. Now when it comes to the letter T, we have no clue whether the first T or the sixth T has been brought to this place. Similarly, if you take the second T here, we have no idea whether it is the first T or the second T. So there are two possible answers here. Either it is 1-6 or 6-1. But then when the logic is not certain, we cannot find out the answer for the given word sprint. So this shows that the logic which we are trying to apply, that is jumbling of the letters, is not working out. So we are wrong. So that's how sometimes we may not be able to get the answer in the first attempt. So let us try to now understand what can be the logic in this coding. The idea here is letters are all same, but if you observe, they have been simply arranged in the alphabetical order. That is, A is the first letter, E is the next letter in alphabetical order, L is the next one, N, and then followed by T and T. So simply all the letters in the given word have been arranged in alphabetical order to get the coded form. In that case, whether this is first T or sixth T doesn't matter. Why? Because we are simply arranging them in the alphabetical order. Now let us do the same thing for the word sprint. So arranging these letters in alphabetical order, the first letter would be I, followed by N, followed by P, followed by R, S and T. So we can say that the coded form of the word sprint would be INPRST. So as you can see here, sometimes what we think may not work out. So simply try to do something else.